Unlimited maintenance for $200 a year looks something a little bit like this. And it's mobile. Vehicle's parked for work. See how long it takes to do oil change, tire rotation, cabin filter, engine filter. Let's see. Cool. Why didn't I think of that before? And for those that are watching, I am the CEO, not usually the guy that's out here doing services. So for all my technicians watching, I know you can do this 10 times better than me, and I appreciate every single one of you. And yes, I'm sitting on a stool because, you know, I'm mostly an office guy. Whew. go. 113,346 kilometers. All right. So that's a full service, oil change, tire rotation, cabin filter, engine filter. Unlimited maintenance, 200 bucks a year. It's 45 bucks on board. You want to refer your friends, you get an additional $45 in credit. For example, this vehicle might need some brake pads. If this customer is able to book through our system, they'll get about 10% of whatever that bill is back in credit. So you invite your friends, you get all your repairs through us and our partners. Technically, this could be free a year, like the maintenance is free. So you can sign up at goil.ca. Super simple. We're only doing a limited number per city. We service across 63 cities, US and Canada. If you get a plan here in Lake Winnipeg, or you get a plan in Vancouver, wherever you get a plan, it works everywhere. So sign up once, forget about it. And the cool part is, if your vehicle's got a connected vehicle app, you can connect it to our system, and guess what? Your vehicle now books itself. We automatically show up, and the best part is, I can't really use my phone because my phone's recording right now. I can lock your vehicle with your permission, of course. Service your vehicles. I don't need the keys. You can keep your keys in the office and completely service your vehicle, not even bug you. And you don't even have to think about making an appointment. Our artificial intelligence, our connection to the vehicle with software, with all the OEMs, we're partnered with about 48 of them. But yeah, super cool. We can basically have your vehicle booked itself. So that's the last part of it. But yeah, that's about it. Got her locked up, got all my stuff away. Customers, well, it's free, it's included, right? So I think that's it. Have a good day, guys.